All right, guys, it's Halloween night. Are we ready for some trick-or-treating? Absolutely. I've been waiting for this all year.
Let's make this the spookiest Halloween ever.
Oh, brains and candy.
I'm ready to haunt the neighborhood. Here it is, guys, Mr. Craven's house. They say it's haunted.
Well, you know what we have to do, right? Trick or treat.
Trick or treat, you brave kids.
Treat, please.
Treat, please.
Hey, Kevin, can you get the treats, please?
Can I join you, guys? It looks like fun.
Yes, sure, Kevin.
Give me 2 minutes.
Okay, let's go to the next house. Wow, the door is opening by itself.
Hi, kids, come in. I have a lot of treats for you.
Thank you, Mistress Walker. Your house looks like a scary movie. The house decoration and your costume look amazing, Mistress Walker.
Really? Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
You can stay here as long as you want, kids. I have some spooky magic to show you.